What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So I'm back after a week of vacation, and today I'm going to share with you some very important market updates. I hope you're all doing great, and we are seeing a little bit of correction on the Bitcoin's price. So previously I've talked about the final shakeout, and today I'm going to share with you an update about it. And by the way, guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, it will help a lot, and of course, click that notification bell. So now let's dive right in. Before we jump into the Bitcoin's chart, let's talk about this Solana's chart that I've shared with you yesterday. So Solana is currently forming a rising wedge pattern, guys, which is a bearish pattern. And the ideal breakout target of this will be the bottom of the wedge. And that will give us the $163 target. And also, majority of the charts right now are forming a bearish divergence, guys. This is what you can see here. This is the Solana's chart 4-hour time frame, and we have actually a double bearish divergence forming on the 4-hour time frame. And if we are going to jump in to the daily time frame, we have actually another bearish divergence, guys. So let me just wait for the chart to refresh here. So as what you can see on the daily time frame, we have another bearish divergence here on the oscillator, and this actually looks like a confirmed breakout. Full daily candle closing below the support, guys. And I've shared this one yesterday on my Twitter account. This was the confirmation right here on the 4-hour time frame for a full 4-hour candle closing below the support trend line. That was our first confirmation, guys. And if you are in our Discord community, guys, I have actually shared this trade setup, a short position, guys, short position on Solana when it was trading near the support, guys. I've seen the price getting rejected from this resistance trend line, and that was our first confirmation about a possible break of support here. So I made this call in our Discord community, and this was the entry price here, current price up to 204, stop loss 211, and these are our targets. Final target will be $163, which will be the bottom of the rising wedge pattern here, and that will actually give us $163. And I've shared my initial entry point yesterday, guys, negative 10%. And today we have hit actually the 182 target. And I think this is gonna continue here. We might see a little bit of bounce in the 4-hour time frame, but I think this is going to continue lower. We have a small support here at around $180. We're seeing a small bounce, and also order block at 172 up to 176. So if you are in our Discord community, I've already made a post, guys, that we can start taking profit and we can move our stop loss back to our initial entry point. That way we can secure our trade 100%. So right now we have seen this breakout, retested support, and we are on our way. We might see some small bounce at 180 back to 184, 185. And let's see if we can see that price drop to $163, which will be our final target for this rising wedge pattern. Now, let's jump in to the Bitcoin's chart. So previously I've talked about this possible inverse or head and shoulders pattern and a smaller inverse head and shoulders pattern here. And previously I've also talked about this possible short-term sideways consolidation channel, and that will bring actually Bitcoin back to this 61,000 or 62,000 zone, guys, which is our key support level in the 4-hour time frame. And right now, looking at the Bitcoin CME chart, we have actually a gap, guys. We have a gap. So we have a huge Bitcoin CME gap here, and I think it is going to be filled in the coming days, guys. So this range is from 64 down to $63,000, guys. $63,800. We have a huge CME gap right here, and this is actually in confluence with our order block at around 63,500. This is a huge bearish candle, guys. So we might see a small bounce, maybe up to 68,500, but I am still expecting Bitcoin to drop up to this short-term order block. We have a small bullish divergence forming on the oscillator, of course, using chart prime indicator, guys. This is one of the best paid indicator in my own experience. If you want to check it out, feel free to check out the link in the description down below. Of course, I'm going to share with you as well the update on my Bitcoin short position here on my Fairdesk account. So my initial entry point here was at 72,800, and I've shared this one on my previous video. I have realized profit at 3,500. This is still ongoing, guys, with 40,200 USDT, 26% profit. My final target for this one will be near this 200 exponential moving average, and that will give us around 47,000. So maybe the price, when the price drop to this level, this 200 exponential moving average will move maybe approximately around 50,000 or up to $52,000. That is why I have my final take profit zone right there, $52,000. So let's see if Bitcoin is going to drop back to that level. And looking at the coin market cap here, we are actually 18 days to the next Bitcoin halving. And based on the previous information, guys, based on the previous datas, actually, based on the previous data, Bitcoin usually do a final shakeout before or on the halving itself. So that will be 18 days. So I'm expecting in the next 18 days a possible shakeout, guys, final shakeout. And also that will be our last and final chance to accumulate more Bitcoin and of course altcoins before a possible parabolic run. So if you have missed my previous video explaining about final shakeout, check out. I'll add the link on the upper right corner of the screen. And of course, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.